Hi friends, today in this video I am going to show you how to build a e-commerce website using a free theme, and its name is Kadence. And the e-commerce website that I am going to develop will look like similar to this one. It's very easy and you can build your e-commerce website yourself without having extensive knowledge about WordPress. And guess what? I am going to develop e-commerce website on local server, that is XAMPP. Now you may be wondering why using XAMPP instead of a live site? Great question. In fact, developing your e-commerce website locally on XAMPP server is a huge cost saver. You don't need to pay for domain and hosting while you are still learning and working out to develop your e-commerce website. And you can make all the tweaks and adjustments you need without affecting your live audience. Plus, it's super fast and convenient method to build your e-commerce website. So if you are at a learning stage of WordPress, I suggest you to develop your e-commerce website on local server and then move it to your live host. If you have not already, check out my previous video on how to install XAMPP and WordPress on your Windows computer. Link of the video is mentioned in the description below. Now let's go and start developing a e-commerce website from scratch. Let's get started. So friends, step number 1 to build e-commerce website locally on your Windows computer is installing XAMPP and WordPress on your computer. To install XAMPP and WordPress on your computer, you can watch my this video that explains about how you can download and install both XAMPP and WordPress on your Windows computer. After installing XAMPP and WordPress on your computer, let's move to step number 2. That is installing a free WordPress theme. For this, go to Appearance and click on Themes, and then go to Add New Theme, and here in Search Themes, search for Kadence, and this is the free theme that we are going to use to build our e-commerce website. Next, click on Install. After installation, click on Activate. After activating your theme, next click on Install AI Installer Templates. After activating Kadence Starter Templates, you will see this page. Here you need to click on this option. Use classic starter templates. Here you will find a lot of templates that are free and paid, but we are going to use free templates to build our e-commerce website. So here click on this pencil icon and then click on e-commerce. Next click on this icon and then click on free only. Now these are all the free templates that you can use to build your e-commerce website, but we are going to use this one, print shop. Click on it. And then here under style starter, select your preferred color style. For example, I am going to choose this one, and then click on next. Here we are going to import full site, and make sure that under advanced settings both options are enabled, and then click on next. Here at this section you need to select plugins that are required to operate your e-commerce website. First plugin is Kadence Blocks and the second plugin is WooCommerce. Make sure that these two plugins are selected, and then click on Finish and Launch, and then click on Start Import. Now it's going to take a few moments to install and activate our plugins. And friends, you can see that our plugins are installed and activated. Next click on See My Site, and you can see here this is the layout of our e-commerce website. Next we are going to customize this layout according to our requirement. For this, go to your WordPress dashboard and then click on Appearance and click on Customize, and it will take us to customize settings. Here we can modify or customize different settings such as logo, header, footer, pages, menus, etc. according to our requirement. So I am going to keep the colors and fonts as it is. Click on headers. So here I am going to change this logo. Click on logo and then click on change logo. Click on select files and then select your logo. After uploading your logo, click on select. As our logo in square shape, therefore I am going to skip cropping. Click on skip cropping and you can see our logo is replaced. And then scroll down and go to site title. This is the site title that will appear here. When any visitor will open your website, he will see your site title here. So in my case it is Digit Crafter. You can change it as per your requirement. Next go to tagline, and for example I write here learn and grow with digital marketing, and then select the site icon. Here you need to make sure that the pixels of your site icon are 512 by 512, and then click on select site icon. And then to upload my site icon, click on upload files and click on select files. I'm going to select my site icon, which is same as my logo. Click on open, and here you can see dimensions of my site icon are 512 by 512. So you need to make sure that pixels or dimensions of your site icon are 512 by 512. Next, click on select. Now next you need to click on publish. Next, go to footer to change the footer items, or you can simply scroll down and go at the bottom of your front page. So here you can change social icons. These are the social icons. You can add or remove any icon from here. And if you need to set the social links, for example for this Facebook link, go to set social links, and here you can set links for your social accounts. For example, my Facebook social account is, and like this one you can set other social handles. After setting social handles, click on publish, and then click on this arrow to go back. Click again to go back, and by following this step, just like you change your social icons, you can also change copyright text here. After setting social links, you can add more widgets here, or if you need to change any previous widgets, you can simply click on this blue pencil icon, and you can simply change footer information by following this step. For example, here about us, I am going to write here, learn and grow with digital marketing. Next, you can go to quick links, and here you can set your menu, but for now we are going to skip it, as later on I am going to guide you how you can create menus in WordPress. Next, click on publish, and then go back. Next, go to general, and here you can change layout, sidebars, images and other general settings of your WordPress website. After setting your general preferences, go back and then go to posts pages layout, and here you can set page layout of your WordPress website. Now next, go back. As for now our all settings are complete. Only you need to check header, footer and general information when you are going to create your e-commerce site by using this Kadence theme. Now friends, our step number 2, that is customizing the Kadence theme, is complete. Next, close this customizer screen. Now friends, let's move to step number 3, that is customizing your WooCommerce plugin that handles the settings for your e-commerce website. For this, go to settings, and here you can add address of your store. For example, if my store in India, I will select India country, and then it will show me all states of India country. For example, I select here Delhi, and then you need to select your selling locations. If you are going to sell your products worldwide, then keep this option sell to all countries. And if you need to sell only in India, you can select this option sell to specific country, and here select India, and here you can set the shipping locations. Next, the most important setting is currency options. Here you can select your preferred currency. For example, if I am operating in India, I am going to select Indian rupee. Select the position of your currency, which is left, number of decimals, that I am going to keep it 0, and then click on save changes. After configuring general option, next go to shipping, and here in shipping you need to add a shipping zone. For example, I want to ship my products inside India only. I shall write here my zone name, which is India, and here I shall select India and my preferred states where I want to sell my products. After selecting the regions, next click on add shipping method, and here you can set your shipping method. For example, I want to charge flat rate for my shipping. Click on flat rate and click on continue, and then I am going to write here 150 to charge on my each shipping. Next, click on create and save. And friends, you can see that our zone regions and shipping methods are configured. Next, go to payment settings, and here in payment settings, for now I am going to activate cash on delivery. You can also enable direct bank transfer. After setting your preferred payment method, next click on save changes. You can also set other payment methods to accept payments online from your customers. For example, you can set PayU method. You can accept payments using PayPal method, and also you can use Razorpay or Stripe payment methods. You can configure any payment method according to your requirement. Now let's move to accounts and privacy. And here in accounts and privacy, you need to enable some options. Click on this checkbox to allow your customers to log in into an existing account during checkout. And then click on this checkbox to allow your customer to create an account during checkout. Also click on this checkbox to allow your customer to create an account on the My Accounts page. After enabling these options, next go down and click on Save Changes. Now after configuring WooCommerce settings, next thing we are going to change our front end settings. That is the layout of our main page. As you can see here, this is our main menu with home, shop, about, contact and account menu. So how you can change items of this menu, let me show you. Go back to your WordPress dashboard and go to appearance and then click on menus. For example, I am going to remove a couple of menus. I am going to remove about menu and then this contact menu and then click on save menu. So this is your store menu, that is your primary menu. After saving your settings, go to your front end of your website and click refresh button. And you can see here about and contact menu are removed. Now next we are going to change this banner image. And to change this banner image, go to edit page. Now this is the front page of your e-commerce website. And here you can change text and images. So first we are going to change this banner image. Click on this banner image and then in right side panel, click on style. After scrolling down, you can see all the images that are set to your banners. For example, I am going to change this image. Click on edit image and here for example I want to replace this image with my main banner image. Click on this one and click on select. You can see friends, our banner image is replaced. Next go down. If you need to change the text here, you can simply edit this text. Now if you go down, these are the product categories and how you can add and edit the product categories. For this go to your WordPress dashboard, go to products and then go to categories and here you can add or edit product categories. For example, I am going to add a new category here. For example, I am going to write here fruits and the slug is again fruits. Slug is in fact a URL of your category and this is our main category. Now next upload your image. For category images you can upload your own image or you can simply go to pixels and search for fruits and click on search. For example, I am going to use this image. Click on this download image button and you can see here the image is going to download. Now click on use image to use it for your category image. After setting the image, click on add new category and you can see here our new category of fruits is added here. Now let's go back to your front page and here we are going to replace this t-shirts category with our fruits category. Click on this image and then click on this style button and next click on edit image. Select the same image that you set to the fruits category. Click on it and then click on select. Next click on this t-shirts text, remove it and replace it with fruits. You can also change the color of this text. Go to the right panel here and click on black color icon and then drag the pointer to the white color. You can see here our text color is changed. Now click on view all and then click on this pencil icon to insert our new link. To set our link for fruits category, go back to your fruits category and right click on view and click on copy link address. Now go back to your main page and here under link paste your link that you copied from the categories and then click on save. Now friends, you can see here that we added a new category here, that is fruits. You can add or edit other categories at the front page of your website. Now go down and here you can also change these settings. Just simply click on it and you can change everything. Next go down and this is the featured product section. Now you may be thinking that how to add products to your e-commerce website. Now to add your products to your e-commerce site, go to your WordPress dashboard and then go to products. Here click on add new product. Let's say I am going to add apple. Here you can add more description about your product. Next let's set product image. Click on this set product image and then I am going to add product image from pixels. Search for apple. Click on search. Let's say I want to use this image. Click on download image button. After downloading the image, click on set product image. Now next let's set the price of this product. Go to general option and then go to regular price. Write here your desired price. Next go to product categories and select your desired category. In my case it is fruits. After setting the category, click on this publish button. Now go to your all products section. Click on this all products and you can see our product is published. To show this product on our main page, for example at this place, I am going to click on this star icon to make this product as featured. So if you need to see the layout of this single product image, click on this view button. Right click on it and open link in new tab. And friends, this is the layout of your single product page. Now go back to the main page that we are editing. Until now our changes are not saved. Click on this update button to save your changes. Now let's see if our newly added featured product is showing on the front page. Go down to the featured products. Now you can see here our new featured image is visible here, and similarly you can add and edit other products of your e-commerce website. Now let's go back to your main page that we are editing, and if we refresh this front page that we are editing, and if you go down back to the featured products, you can see our featured products is also visible here. Now next move to the next section, that is the sign up page. And at this section you can follow the same example. Click on any widget and you can change the text and image of this widget. Next go down and here click on any section and you can make the changes instantly. After making the desired changes of your e-commerce front page, click on update button. Next step is customizing other pages of your e-commerce website. If you go back to your WordPress dashboard and go to pages and click on all pages. Here you can edit other pages of your e-commerce website by following the same example that I showed you about front page. For example, you want to edit this about page here. Click on this edit button and here on about page you can change text and images by following the same examples that I showed you while editing the front page. And by following the same method you can change other pages of your e-commerce website. For example, this contact page here, you can go to edit and change as per your requirement. You can also change text of your privacy policy and also the other pages. And if you need to add a new page, go to this add new page and you can add as many pages as you want. Now our all settings related to e-commerce websites are complete. Now let's test our website on front end. Go to home menu and click on this visit site. Now let's test this e-commerce site by placing a test order. Go down and then click on add to cart. Also select the other one, add to cart. After adding the products, let's see our cart. Click on view cart, or simply you can also click on this shopping cart button to go to your cart page. So this is the cart page and this is the summary of your products. So this is the subtotal, these are the shipping rates, and this is the shipping location. If any customer need to change the location, he can change the shipping location by simply clicking on this change address. After adding shipping cost, total amount of order is 177. Next click on proceed to checkout, and here let's enter our billing details. For example, I am going to place a test order, and in every field I am going to enter test, and in the city name I am also going to write test. The state is already selected. These are all the states that you configured in WooCommerce under settings shipping method. Now I am going to select Delhi and then select the pin code, for example 12345, and then the phone number 12345, and here the email address. For example, I am going to enter a dummy email address digitcrafter@gmail.com, and then click on place order, and here it gave us an error. It's saying billing pin code is not valid. So let's enter a valid billing pin code. Let's remove this one and enter a valid pin code. Next click on place order. You can see here friends, this is the summary of our order. Our order is successfully placed. These are the order details, order number, date, email, total, payment method, and this is the product's description, and this is the billing address, and this is the shipping address. And that's it friend, our e-commerce website is ready. By following this tutorial, you can have your very own e-commerce website using the free Kadence theme and WooCommerce plugin. Friends, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tutorials. If you have any question, drop them in the comments below. I will be more than happy to assist you. Take care and see you in next video. Bye.